mataas lang. So, this is the beach, guys. In Chesapeake.
Ikaw nga, voice over. Go. Go on.
Hindi mo na sasabihin.
Sige na, voice over mo na.
Nakalimutan ko na ito yung sasabihin ko. Can you see that, guys?
Of course, we're not blind. It's a bridge.
That's a London
Classroom.
Bridge. London Bridge is falling down.
That's not a London
that
Bridge.
goes up and goes down.
Oh, I like that bridge.
That's Chesapeake,
Now it's
Chesapeake
90
Bridge.
Goes up and down. Oh, I
Um,
love that
Marian,
bridge.
what's the reason of that bridge is
Actually,
going up?
it's in Chesapeake, part of Virginia.
Ano daw reason? Hindi sinabi ko na.
Oh my
Wala
God.
ka sa gitna.
Narinig ko ano. But the reason why they lift it up.
Ito yung crabs na nahuhuli dyan.
Oh, blue crab.
Because
Oh,
there
yung fresh
is
talaga
a
siya.
what they call this one.
Tapos
Oh, there
tingnan
you
mo,
go,
ang
there you
laki-laki,
go.
oh.
A yacht that will. Ayan o yung yacht.
Oh,
Oh,
Kaso mahirap dyan manhuli.
Malakihan yung yate. Ano?
Kaya nga hindi
Ang
naman
liit
pala-
lang naman. Bakit kailangang itaas yan? Yung buong yan?
Kasi mababa.
Mababa
Mababa yung...
yung bridge. Yung ilalim niya.
Oh, I got you
Naku,
now.
it caused delay.
Okay. That's all for today. Goodbye, class. Charot.
Kung
And
alam
then,
niyo lang,
guys,
mayroon din
look,
doon sa
meron
Portsmouth.
It will goes down.
Okay, okay.
It will go
It will
down.
go down now. Come on.
Hindi, meron pa. May apat pa na nakapila.
There's more?
Joke lang.
Wait, there's more.
Joke lang. Magsasara na yan.
Ang hassle, no?
Ano?
Hindi lang naman ganun. May matataas pang ano.
Doon sa
Yung
ano?
sa Norfolk eh.
Doon sa Portsmouth.
Oh,
meron.
it's going down.
Oh, now. Para siyang ride. Pero dyan kami mamaya.
Dadaan.
So, paano yung mga tao na nasa, ano, nasa
Ayan na
building?
siya. Para siyang bed na tinutumba.
Saan building?
Yan, building yan eh.
No, walang
Parang
tao
controller
dyan.
yan.
Walang tao. Nakatagal din siguro sila. Nagko-computer gano'n. No?
Ang galing, no?
Di ba oh?
Philippines.
Building yan oh.
No, it's not.
Building yan.
Dapat si tatay tumuloy-tuloy hanggang doon sa taas.
Yan yung control tower dyan.
Steady lang siya.
O parang ano, voltage 5 na nagpapalit-palit yung ano niya.
Ang galing, no? Parang-
Tignan mo yung nagbabike. Alam ko didiretso siya.
May mga kung mahilig kayo sa hito, meron din dyan hito.